If you are having bald edges, excessive hair fall, shedding, serious alopecia, or you think your hair is not just growing at all, or you're having scalp issues that is not enabling your hair to grow the way it's supposed to grow, please don't tell me you have never tried pure onion juice for hair growth. What have you been doing? You love DIY products and you've never tried pure onion. Wow. In this video, I will show you how to make, how to use, and also I will be telling you the benefits of this amazing, powerful, potent recipe. Onions, pure onions. This is pure onions. Just watch till the end. So guys, I will be showing you how to make, how to use, and I'll also be telling you the benefits of this for your hair, how it can help your hair grow. So we will be making use of these onions, just onions. Yes, so first of all, I'll go ahead to slice this. So guys, we will be making use of the onion itself and also the peel. Yes, I know most of you always see me using the onions only, but you've never seen me using the peel. And then I've told you in my previous videos that I will make a video on how to use onions peel for hair growth. Guys, this is the video. Although we will not be making only use of the peel, but also the onions itself, I will be mixing it. So guys, this is it. I'll go ahead to cut this into pieces. We'll just make use of a little of the onions, just half of the onions. So I will just slice this. Yes, and then guys, I've observed that if you really do not want the smell of this to be too much, don't blend it. Yes, if you blend it, that smell that you're really avoiding, you will not be able to avoid it. Yes. So guys, what we will be doing is we will be boiling this. So make sure to wash off the peel and also your onions, because you wouldn't want any form of impurities in it. So please wash it properly. You can wash it 2 times. You can rinse it twice. That is totally fine. So guys, I'll just transfer this into another plate, as you can see. And then after this, we will just move ahead to put this on fire. Yes, like I told you, we will be boiling this. Please stick around. So in a clean pot, I will just add 1 cup of water. Yes, that is just fine. And then I'll just add in the onion peel and then the onions into the pot. I'll allow this boil for 5 to 10 minutes and that is just fine. As you can see, this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. Yes, this is it. You can see the color. Yes, that is all the goodness of this onion. So this is what it is after I sieved it, and obviously I cannot use it as it's so hot. Allow it cool down. Yes, it is really important that you allow this to cool down before you transfer into either a spray bottle. If you want to use a spray bottle, that is fine. If you want to use cotton wool to apply, that is totally fine. And I'll show you how to use. Please stick around. You cannot use this wrongly. So guys, we will be applying this directly to our scalp. Yes, this will heal your scalp. It will give you a healthy scalp and will enable new healthy growth. Your hair grows from your scalp, so you need a healthy scalp that will give your hair that sweet, good environment for new growth. So guys, onion juice promotes hair growth by providing dietary sulfur, which supports strong, thicker hair and stimulates collagen production. It is rich in antioxidants and antimicrobials. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, reduces breakage and treats dandruff. It will help with hair loss, that is alopecia. It really does help with that. That's why you see a lot of people with bald edges. You'll see that they use onion juice, some mix with garlic, which is totally fine, but onion juice on its own is really strong to treat alopecia. Yes, most especially the kind of traction alopecia. Yes, traction alopecia is the kind of alopecia caused by pressure, too much pressure on the scalp. You know, there are some kind of hairstyles that some people make that pull off their hair from their scalp, and then they use this to revive it. I've had a bald spots before at the front of my hair. Yes, I think it's by the right side of my hair. And then I've also had bald spots at the middle of my hair. Yes, and that was because of pressure. I put a headband on my head, and then it caused pressure at that particular part of my hair, and then the hair pulled out. And then I used onion juice. Yes, if you know me well, you know that I use a lot of herbal DIYs. Like, I do them and they work for me. Yes, so guys, if you observe, I started applying my hair oil. Yes, you can use any kind of hair oil that is suitable, but I will advise that you use a lightweight oil. You see this oil I'm using is a DIY oil I made by myself, and then it is totally lightweight. It has lightweight oils in it, like grapeseed oil. Yes, that is a lightweight oil. Don't use coconut oil on your scalp. Yes, please don't use coconut oil and castor oil. I'll not advise that because it doesn't really penetrate properly into the scalp. So please use lightweight oils, and then you just massage it in. Really important that you massage your scalp. That helps with blood circulation. I do massage my scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, and I massage my scalp every single day. I try as much as possible not to forget because I know the importance of massaging my scalp. There was a time when I stopped massaging my scalp totally, and guys, I could see that my hair growth rate reduced. Yes, please. And then that is how to use onion juice for hair growth. You can do this once in a week. You don't do it too much. You do it once or twice in a week, and that is totally fine. You don't overdo these things. And then yes, this is one way to use onion juice. I will show you another way in another video. Take care. Bye. If you have questions, please do well to ask in the comments section.